The following is a guide to attendance within CBHS and other schools for protesting on the 1st of May, and any protests that follow. It will also be a refresher for those who wish to convey a message throughout the school. Anonymous has drafted 13 rules that will ensure epic win and no hit points on your part. Focus on your target and keep it to a minimum. Rule number 0. Rule number 12 applies only to May 1st of 2015. Rule number 1. Stay calm. Rule number 2. Stay calm, especially when harassed. Although individuals trying to disrupt your demonstration will get on your nerves, you must not lose your temper. Doing so will harm the protest. Rule number 3. Inform yourself. Before you engage in any demonstration, do research on your topic or issue that you wish to protest. Prepare signs, posters, and flyers. Everything from anti-racism to LGBT rights, to dress code, and global issues will be protested. Always remember your topic or issue that you wish to go against and do plenty of research if you haven't already. Rule number 4. No violence. Rule number 5. No graffiti, destruction, or vandalism. Rule number 6. No weapons. This will be a peaceful demonstration. Your weapons. You will not need them. Rule number 7. Anonymous is legion. Never be alone. Isolation during a protest marks you as a target for handlers who wish to provoke an angry reaction from you and other hostiles. In keeping with this principle. Rule number 8. Organize in squads of at least 3 people. Rule number 9. It is recommended, however not required, to cover your face. This will prevent your identification from videos taken by hostiles. Usually hats and sunglasses are preferred. Please note that a mask is not required. Rule number 10. If you want to do something stupid, pick another day. This should be self-explanatory. Violation of these rules during a demonstration will tarnish the reputation of Anonymous and harm the demonstration itself. Rule number 11. Prepare legible, uncomplicated and accurate flyers to hand out to those who wish to know more regarding the motivations behind your actions. Rule number 12. It will also be the 50th anniversary of Cocoa Beach High. Since there will be no classes, the only possible time for a protest may only be between lunch times. Before and after school are also possible times, however the chances of anyone appearing to the morning or afternoon times are slim. Rule number 13. Document the event. Use your phone, camera, or any other device capable of recording or storing photos or videos. This will share your side of the story and will spread your message. Share your captures on social media such as Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Remember to keep a close eye on your device's battery to make sure it's not wasted. The protest will only last about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on how it turns out, so that might not be a problem. If you follow these simple rules, the success of your actions will be nearly assured. However, please keep in mind that the overall success of the demonstration depends on the behavior of all those who participate. Ignore these rules at your own risk. Follow them, and victory will be yours. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.